Hello guys, welcome back once again. You have done well for taking part in these tutorials. Okay, so before we will start, first let me show you the sample site that we are going to design. Okay, from the intro video, we are going to look at how to design social network website. Okay, similar to Facebook, something like Facebook, whereby but this one is different. Okay, not just a social network website. This is a community web design community website. Okay, so we are looking at a website, a social media structure whereby members can learn courses from the platform. They can buy products like themes, plugins, and so on and so forth. Okay, they can also buy products using points. Okay, so which means that we have a currency, we have our own currency, or let me say points on the platform. So through the daily activities like commenting, messages, sharing affiliate link will help the members to earn a points. Okay, and they can use that points to buy products like templates, Elementor template, and others. So first of all, let's look at the sample site. Though I have captured everything in the intro video, but I just want to show you. Okay, so the moment you enter the URL, that is ereadercommunity.com, ereadercommunity.com, it will take you to this page. Okay, meaning if you don't have an account, you won't be able to get access to their platform unless you have to create an account. So you can do that by creating an account here, or you can sign up in case you already have an account. I already have an account, so I just want to log in, okay, as a user. Okay, so this is the landing page. As you can see, after logging in, I've been given a points, and as you can see, we have these are the leaderboard. These are the members who have earned a point on this platform. Okay, the first one is the number one, that is Amokenes, and he's having about 13 billion. Okay, followed by Darius Amwako, and so on and so forth. Okay, so with these points, you can use to buy any product on this platform. Now we have menu, top menu here, and we have side menu. When I click here, it will open and you see everything here. Okay, I'm not going to spend a lot of time here talking about it. If you want to know much about this, just this is a series. We are going to make it, I'll be posting it series by series, that is every day. Okay, so you can watch the intro video. It contains what this site can do. Okay, we have courses, per shop and post and others. Okay, so let's move on. So before you can create this beautiful website, you need two important things, that is domain and hosting, and that's what I'm going to show you how to get that. Okay, so let's go to ereaderhost.com, ereaderhost.com. The link is below this video. Ereaderhost.com is our own company. Okay, good. So let's go there. And this is the platform. Let me first explain some of the packages that we have here. This is the landing page. In fact, we have a lot of things. Okay, good. Now let's go to share hosting. We have two hosting types, two groups of hosting. Okay, packages. We have the shared hosting and hosting plus. Okay, now the shared hosting is like is very cheap, and that is where we are looking at those who already have a domain. It may happen that you already have a domain and you just need a hosting, then I will recommend share hosting for you, because with that you will not get a free domain. And when you look at the prices, the price here is very affordable. Now with the starter, monthly is 9.9 per month, and that is per year is around 100 Ghana cedis. I'm talking about this one, and this one is 12.9 per year is around 150 Ghana cedis. This one per year is around 200. If you're buying it yearly, then you pay 200. Okay, and this is the, in fact, the amazing one, unlimited hosted domain. You can add unlimited domain. Okay, so if you are an agency and you have been designing website for your client, I would recommend this one for you. This one you only pay 400 Ghana cedis, and you can add more website. Okay, good. So I already have a domain. Okay, with these tutorials I'm going to walk you through how to buy product here. Okay, and then so what I'm going to do is I already have a domain. Okay, so I'm going to go with, and we have, let me explain this one to you. That is the Hosting Plus. What Hosting Plus is all about is 2-in-1 packages. Okay, which means that if you buy any of them, you get a free domain in addition to that. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. Okay, so let me show you. We have Starter Plus. The price is 150 Ghana cedis. So with this 150 Ghana cedis, you will get a domain extension XYZ. So in the course of if you select this package, in the course of the registration, and you select it and you add a domain extension that is XYZ, you will not pay for the domain. Okay, the domain is included for this package, okay, the XYZ. But if you select a different extension like .com, then you will pay the domain price in addition to this package. So if you need a .com but you want a Starter Plus, then I will advise you to go for the share hosting, so that the share hosting you will pay the starter one, you pay 100 Ghana cedis, then you add a domain which is around 150 or 160, making to 260. Okay, good. But and I also have this option that is Pro Plus. With Pro Plus, you will get .com or .org or .net. Okay, and you pay just 300 Ghana cedis. You can host 2 domain but 10 subdomain. Okay, so in all you'll be able to add about 12 websites. Okay, with this, as you can see, I don't want to keep on repeating, but let me explain the two of them. This one, it comes free domain free domain for the first year, as I said, but free domain renewal, meaning when you are to after the year and you want to renew this package, and the free domain is not included. Okay, but with this package, after a year and you want to renew the hosting, and the domain, free domain is included. Okay, so let's say in the course of registration you added a domain, and that is reader.com. So after a year, when you are renewing this package, and the 350, the domain is included, but this one you pay domain in addition to that. This one too is the same thing, 500 Ghana cedis, and the domain renewal is also included. Okay, as I said, I already have a domain, so I will go with the share hosting. Okay, because I don't want to pay for. So with this kind of website that we are going to design, we are going to add a lot of features, a lot of plugins and themes. Okay, so I would not recommend this package for you, but if you think that's what you can afford, that is fine. Okay, as if I were you, I'll go with this one. Okay, good. But for this tutorial, I'm going to go for this one. Okay, so I will click on that, and I'm here. So here I have to enter my domain name. We have register a new domain, or transfer your domain from another registrar, or I will use my existing domain. That is, in case you don't have a domain and you want to register a new domain, you can just enter the name of the domain, then you add extension. Okay, but this time transfer your domain from another registrar. Maybe you already have a domain, and that is from a different company, and you want to transfer the domain to us, so that we'll be managing the domain for you. Then you can go with this. But right now, I just want to use existing domain, which I bought it from my platform. Okay, so the extension is Reader blog. Okay, I bought this domain when I was making a blog website. That's why it has that name, Reader blog. Okay, and the extension is XYZ. So I will click use this, and it has been added. Okay, so we have so many things here. So here with this starter, you can go with monthly, 3 months, 1, and then annually. Okay, it's semi-annually, that's 6 months, or you can go for 1 year. So 1 year is 100 Ghana cedis. And then let's see, powerful website builder. If you want to add Weebly, later I'll make video on how to use Weebly website builder. With the free one, you will be able to create a website. something, just it's just that there's a limitation. We'll come to that. And then this one too is very important. Site log website builder. I would advise you to, if you don't have money to afford this one, which is 24 Ghana cedis, let's say 25 Ghana cedis per year. If you don't have money to pay for that, then you can go with the free one, which is the light. Okay. And then we also have code guard website backup. If you want to, keep your website file safe, so that I don't think anything that we are keeping everything safe for you, but some people want to take extra they want to take extra measures so that they will not be disappointed, okay, or so something of that sort. So in case if you think something may happen, which I'm 100% sure that if that the guitar we are doing well, everything is working perfectly and you have nothing to worry about. Okay, so if you think you can't trust us with your files and you want to keep it safe, then you can go for any of these packages just to save your backup. Okay, but I don't want to go with that. And this 360 is something that is very, very good. I've been using the free one. That's the light one, is the free one. Okay, it will monitor your website for you in case your website go off. As soon as it go off, it will send you an email notification to tell you that your domain is off. So it's very, very good. So I will recommend you have to, in case you don't have money to go for the paid one, I will advise you to go for the light. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, so far so good. I've selected all that I want. So I will just, in case you are not in this country, you are in a different country like Nigeria, US, and you don't know much about our currency, then I would advise you can just change to dollars, and it will show you the sum, the amount you are supposed to pay for that. So the 100 Ghana cedis is $9. Okay, but if you want to pay with this currency, it will not work for you. Okay, so I would advise you to, after having an idea of what you're going to pay, just change it back to Ghana cedis, so that it will be you'll be able to pay successfully. Okay, good. So now let's move on to, let's see, I have a coupon code that I want to add. It says here apply promo code. So the promo code is admin promo. Good. So please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. Okay, so I added a promo code, but don't worry, let's click checkout. Oh, why? Okay, so let me go to view the cards. I don't know why the promo. Okay, let me remove it and add it again, because okay, so you know something, I've changed my mind. I would just want to go with a different package, so I will remove this and then I will select a different package here. So let me come back to share hosting. Right now I just want to go with the premium one. Yes, that's what I want. And this time let me enter the domain name. Come on, it's existing domain, so I'll just enter it again, and the extension is XYZ, and add it. Then all these has been added already. The fourth one is okay, I don't have to change anything. Okay, and then the billing system, let me go with annually. Okay, good. Now I can then, let me see. Okay, so let me go to continue. Okay, so over here I can enter the promo code here. So this is admin promo. Okay, validate. And now you see, okay, so I actually made this promo code for myself for this tutorial, so it's not something that you can use. Okay, now let me click continue. Okay, so I have to fill this information. Then after that, so right now let me pause the video and do that. Okay, so I'm done. Okay, I've added all the necessary information. So right now I have to come here, and over here we have pay with debit card. So I'm going to pay with debit card or Momo. Okay, so I'll go down here and click. So you can join our mailing list, or you can switch it off. But in case where there is ongoing promotion, you get a message from us. So I'll click continue. Okay, so successful. As you can see, it's successful. Okay, so this is order ID, and I can click here to go to client area, and this is the package that I've paid for. Okay, so now we are done with the registration of domain. Let me say thank you for watching. Bye bye.